Hey guys, and this is Ngona again, and today I'm going to show you how to flash Sony 3311 or Sony E5, which is showing a red light whenever you boot it, showing a red light saying failed blah blah blah. So I'm showing you how to fix this problem using SE2. So you need to have this box called SE2 box. It goes for about $250 on GSM Saver. So this is the box that you need. And next you need to open the software. The software that's SE2 software. So here is the software. So now in the software, go to PDA, and from PDA, what you need to do is you need to first check or identify your phone. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Go turn back to PDA and use this identify. Power off the phone. Power off the phone. Power off the phone. Power off the phone. Then after you power off the phone, the volume down key. Volume down key, and then insert the cable like this. So for that, as you can see, after reading or identify your phone, you find out this phone is f3311. So that's what we wanted to check first. So you choose from here f33. So this is what needed here. Now you have to look for a file, a very small, a tiny file. I'm going to put the link where you can get it. A very small file that you need to flash. So come in here, my documents, a desktop. Desktop. Sony F So this is Sony. So this is a small file that I'm talking about. This small file here. So that's the file that you need to flash. And then you have to check again if here is signed the mode. If you tick here and you sign the mode, and then you turn back to PDA and you click the flash button here. So you need to click the flash button again. You have to press your volume down key and insert your cable like this. So phone flashes. So done. The phone has been flashed. So it's done. Phone has been flashed. So we are now switching it on. We are now switching it on. We are now switching it on. See if the problem is already fixed, because the phone is switching on. So as you can see, the phone is done. As you can see, it's now switching on, and no more red light, no more that red light. So the phone is done. That's how you fix the red light problem on E5, on Sony E5 F11. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial, and guys, please subscribe so that you can upgrade and have better tutorials than this one. I thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.